Why is traceability important? Well, traceability means accountability. Traceability at 3DO is data-driven. It comes from closed-loop feedback control from our machines, literally dozens of sensors telling us what's going on in real time. It tells us that parts are of quality, and it tells us if they're not, when it happened and why. It means that I can go to any part bin, I can grab a part, and I can tell you exactly what powder lot it came from, I can tell you what machine it came from, and this is all automated. And that allows us to catch things in situ as they're happening so that nothing leaves 3DO without being within quality, on time, and meets your specs. What we're building here is data-driven. It's the factory of the future.